Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level? Well, today is your lucky day because I have an incredible resource to share with you. In just 10 minutes, I'll introduce you to the Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies ebook, packed with features, advantages, and benefits that will revolutionize your approach to affiliate marketing. So, let's dive right in. This ebook is its ability to help you unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing. In today's ever-evolving digital landscape, staying ahead of the game is crucial. And that's where this ebook comes in. Let's explore its amazing features together. 1. The importance of modern affiliate marketing strategies. This ebook provides a comprehensive understanding of the latest affiliate marketing techniques. You'll learn how to adapt to the changing trends and tap into the most lucrative opportunities. 2. Picking your niches based on ROI and crucial factors. One of the keys to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. This ebook guides you in identifying profitable niches that align with your goals and maximize your return on investment. 3. Creating niche-focused conversion systems. Conversions are the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. With this ebook, you'll discover powerful strategies to create conversion systems tailored to your niche, resulting in higher sales and increased profits. 4. Traffic generation and optimization strategies. Without traffic, your affiliate marketing efforts won't reach their full potential. This ebook equips you with proven techniques to generate targeted traffic and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. 5. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2023 and beyond. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. This ebook reveals the key strategies that will keep you ahead of the competition and ensure your long-term success. Now that we've explored the fantastic features of this ebook, let's discuss the advantages it offers. 1. Comprehensive guidance. This ebook provides a step-by-step guide to modern affiliate marketing, leaving no stone unturned. It's your roadmap to success. 2. Unlock lucrative opportunities. By implementing the strategies outlined in this ebook, you'll tap into the most profitable niches and capitalize on the ever-growing affiliate marketing industry. 3. Increased conversions and profits. With the conversion-focused techniques shared in this ebook, you'll experience a significant boost in your conversion rates, leading to higher profits and financial success. Lastly, let's dive into the benefits that you'll gain from this incredible resource. 1. Enhanced knowledge and expertise. By reading the Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies ebook, you'll gain in-depth knowledge and expert insights into the latest affiliate marketing trends and techniques. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and take your business to new heights. 2. Time and effort optimization. This ebook teaches you how to maximize your income while minimizing your effort. You'll discover strategies to streamline your workflow, allowing you to achieve better results in less time. Who doesn't want to work smarter, not harder? 3. Increased return on investment. Affiliate marketing is all about ROI, and this ebook is your guide to achieving the highest return on every dollar you invest. You'll learn how to choose profitable niches, select the right affiliate programs, and optimize your traffic generation strategies to maximize your earnings. 4. Long-term success. The strategies outlined in this ebook are not just short-term tactics. They focus on building a sustainable and successful affiliate marketing business that can thrive in 2023 and beyond. You'll gain the tools and knowledge to adapt to industry changes and stay ahead of the competition. Now that you know the incredible features, advantages, and benefits of the Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies ebook, it's time to take action and grab your copy today. Click the link in the description below to instantly access the Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies ebook and embark on your journey to affiliate marketing success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business and unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video.